Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome to our Canton Fair online broadcasting show. This is Joey.
This is Canton.
This is Sandy. Me. It's pleasure to have you here. This is our first time to hold online Canton Fair. Because of COVID-19, today we just can introduce our factory to my dear fans through online show. Our factory is committed to producing high quality appliance, accessories, PCB control panels, motor, and solar energy products.
Yes, and we have a strong R&D and design team with more than 10 years of R&D and design experience and a number of independent intellectual property rights and invention patents.
Also we have more than 2,000 square meters of office space, a comfortable working environment, and a professional sales and service team of more than 100 people. We have established a number of home appliance accessory outlets in China. The perfect after-sales service and the convenience of fast delivery make the company's business network cover all over the country. The company has become the leader in the industry.
Yes, and what's more, our company has a warehousing and logistics center of more than 20,000 square meters and successfully developed a modern and scientific logistic information management system which provides great convenience for customers to get goods safely and quickly.
Yes, of course, we also have a number of professional production lines, from production to assembly, and then to the inspection of finished products. Every step is strictly checked to ensure product quality.
So today we will show you the main products of our factory. It including solar energy products, PCB board, PCB control panels, and fan motors. Later, we will take you to our sample room for a tour. If you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to cooperating with you.
Okay, the first product I want to show today is the solar energy product. Our factory manufactures power inverters, solar controllers, and battery chargers for over 10 years. With the development of economy, more and more people are interested in renewable energy, especially for most of the countries in Southeast Asia. Sandy, do you know why?
Yes, of course, because this country they have long daylight hours.
Yes, correct. And the solar energy can be used efficiently. Solar energy is free. You can collect it from the sun and convert it to electricity. Moreover, it's environmental friendly to use. It will not cause any pollution to our living place. So here from left to right, we have multiple models. The first model here is high frequency model, FPS and FMPS model. And we also have low frequency model, FPL model, and the solar pumping inverter. You might all be curious why this model looks very different from the normal model we use. This model, we call it 3-in-1 model. Okay, what represents 3? Sandy? Yes. Why we call it 3-in-1?
3-in-1, it means have a 3 function in one set. This inside this 3 function, one is for power inverter, and second, this is a solar controller, and the 3 is AC charger. It means battery charger. It means this means 3 in 1.
Oh, thank you, Sandy. I know. Okay, for more models, we have. For more models, let's welcome Sandy to introduce to us.
Okay, thank you for contact. Follow me here. Now we can see this side. Oh. This part is for modified power inverter. This part. Modified power inverter. You see, have many say, but it is a similar function. Only the power is different. And this for here, this side is for pure sine power inverter. Also, they have a different power. You can see here. Okay, let me see another part. Here is for battery charger. Battery charger also have many different model like this. Amperes is different. And now let me see the last one. This one is for solar controllers. Solar controllers, they have 2 parts. One is for PWM system, and another one is for MPPT system. Both of them is made by our own factory and with high quality and good price.
Yes, for more details of these products, you can come to our broadcast room during Canton Fair. We have professional sales team here to give you more introduction of these products. Our factory still manufacture more hot selling products. Okay, let's welcome Sandy and Joey give us an introduction. Okay.
Okay, guys, follow me. Here. Look at here. This is for our another wholesale products. This is for home appliance control board.
Yeah, so Sandy, could you introduce to us what kind of home appliance control board do we have?
Yes, it's including washing machine control board, air condition control board, induction cooker control board, lightweight furnace control board, and fan control board. Let me repeat again. It is including washing machine control board, air condition control board, induction cooker control board, lightweight furnace control board, and fan control board. These are one of the most popular export products for my company. The first product we see is the washing machine control board. Here. Usually we separate them into 2 types. Zoe, do you know which 2 types?
Yes, I know. The first type is specific board. It means that it used for some fixed brand, such as Samsung, LG, and other popular brands. Like this, these are the specific board. And the second type is the universal board. Like this is the universal board, which almost all the washing machine can be used. And the universal board is also separate into automatic universal board and roller universal board. The automatic universal code is SCL 2200E. SCL 2200E. And the roller control board is this. The code is SCL 5200E. SCL 5200E.
And then follow my steps. Here. they are air conditioning control panels. Most of them are universal, easy to install, good price with good performance. Generally, there are two types: conditioner control board, single coolant and co-heating. The models of our company have two types. Here. The single coolant is U07PG+, U07PG+, and the other one co-heating is U09PG+, U09PG+.
Yes, this side is for cool heating, please remember. Okay, and next we will show you the hot selling universal induction cooker board. Please look at this way, my friend. Its model is A+, and SE11F, SE11F, and this one SE12F, SE12F. And in addition, we also have two touch type universal board, and which model is SCL-D003, SCL-D003, and this one SCL-D005, SCL-D005. Please remember this number. And for the lightweight furnace control board, it's mainly separated into 5 lines and 6 lines. Please look at this. This one is 5 lines, and this one is 6 lines. And all the control boards are with good qualities.
Finally, we can see the fan control board SCL, FB01 and FB02.
So, Sandy, what's the main difference between the two fan boards?
Yes, the biggest difference between them is FB01 can be used for coolant fan, which is a special function, and
Yes.
FB02 can be used for floor fan, table fan, and the other fans. And the other functions are almost the same.
Yes, and all the PCB board mentioned above are the main control board style produced by our factory. If you have any other PCB control board requirement, we can make them according to your sample. And yes, we are looking forward to have your sample and make your own brand for you. 倒数切。
等一下，
我不出现也行。
可以了。
可以了。
Okay, next, follow me. I will show you another popular product of our factory, the fan motor. And Miss Pointer will give the introduction to you. So, as we know, fan can be said a very common household applicants in our daily life. Its use frequency is very high compared with other household appliances. Therefore, fan motor is also very popular product throughout the year.
Okay, as we can see, Joey, there are so many models behind me. Can you tell me how can we distinguish these models?
Yeah, it's not so difficult. Firstly, according to the type of fan, our fan motor are mainly separated into table fan motor. Come on. We can look at this. This one is table fan motors, and this one is a wall fan motor. And like this one. And the last one is the box fan motor. Very small and cute, right? So, when the customer asks for the fan motor, the first step we need to confirm is what type of fan they use. And secondly, it can be distinguished by the finish of the motor stator. Please look at this. Here is the stator of the motor. The company finish of the motor stator produced by our factory is 14 mm. Oh, sorry, it's 12 mm, 14 mm, 16 mm, 18 mm. This one, 20 mm, and 22 mm. Also, we can produce another finish of the stator. If you have a sample, just send it to me, and we can make this finish according to your sample.
Okay. Next, we still can distinguish by the material of the wire. Okay. Please check this model. Normally, in our factory, we made the fan motors of two wires. We have copper wires and aluminum wires. Generally speaking, copper wires are more expensive than the aluminum model. But the service life of copper wires model will be longer than the aluminum model.
Yes, so lastly, it can be distinguished with or without ball bearing. Let's look at this. This one is with ball bearing. Yes, the ball bearing changes the friction mode of the bearing. It uses rolling friction to effectively reduce the friction between bearing surface and make the motor work better. Yes, you can look at this one. It's with ball bearing. Yeah. So if you are interested in our motor, please feel free to contact us. Okay, this is the end of our main product introduction. Next, Sandy will show us the sample room of our office. Please follow Sandy's step.
Hello, here. Follow my steps. Now, follow my steps. We can see our sample room here. Please look at here. Now this part is for microwave spare parts. Microwave spare parts. Now this part is for rice cooker spare parts. Rice cooker spare parts. And now here have a electric kettle spare parts, water dispenser spare parts, and stove spare parts. So many items. If you have a instant in any products, you can contact with us. It's our name card. Okay, let me see another spare part. You see here, this part is for induction cooker spare parts. Induction cooker spare parts. And especially for this item, it's very hot silver. It's for coolant fans. And now here, this part is for air condition spare parts. Air condition spare parts. Here. Let me see this one. This is for refrigerator spare parts. Refrigerator spare parts. And this side, all of them is for washing machine spare parts. See, so many items. For all home use the machine, this part is for white electrical appliance. This spare part we also have good quality and good price. Now let me show you another side for white electrical appliance. Follow me here. Now you see this side here is for cable. For example, like DVD cable, HDMI cable, AV cable, and optical cable. And also here we can see the LCD bracket. On this side, both of them is made by our own factory also. And now we can see this part. This one is for multimeter and other some tools. You see, so many items. Very complete. And here we can see the other TV spare parts and some tools. No matter what you want, we also can help you to make it. And follow me here. This one, we can see the power supplies, and adapter. If you have any question, also can contact me. This is my name card. Okay. Besides this complete item, we also have a very good sales team. You see here, my sales team so big.
Okay,
Now let Hunter talk with you.
okay, after a small introduction of my factory and products, you can come to our broadcast room on Canton Fair. We have a professional sales team here. Hi guys!
Hello.
Hello!
Say hello.
Okay, we have a professional sales team here to give you more introduction and details of our products. So please come to our broadcast room during Canton Fair. We are looking forward to having you here again, guys. Bye bye. TV 唔係太陽能板咩？開始了沒？
開始嗎？哦，OK，來。
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome to our Canton Fair live broadcasting room. This is Joey.
This is Panta.
This is Sandy. It's my pleasure to have you here. This is our first time to hold online Canton fairs. Because of COVID-19, today we just can introduce our factory to my dear fans through online shows. Our factory is committed to producing high quality home appliance accessories, PCB control panels, motor, and solar energy products.
Yes, and we have a strong R&D and design team with more than 10 years of R&D and design experience, and a number of independent intellectual property rights and invention patents.
Yeah, also we have more than 2,000 square meters of office space, a comfortable working environment, and a professional sales and service team of more than 100 people. We have established a number of home appliance accessory outlets in China. The perfect after-sales service and the convenience of fast delivery make the company business network cover all over the country. The company has become the leader in the industry.
Okay, what's more, our company has a warehousing and logistic center of more than 20,000 square meters.
Yeah.
And successfully developed a modern and scientific logistic information management system, which provide great convenience for customers and help them get their goods safely and quickly.
Yes. Of course, we also have a number of professional production lines, from production to assembly, and then to the inspection of finished products. Every step is strictly checked to ensure product quality.
So today we will show you the main products of our factory. It including solar energy products, PCB control panels, and fan motors. Later, we will take you to our sample room for a tour. If you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to cooperating with you.
Okay, the first product we want to show today is the solar energy product. Our factory manufactures power inverters, solar controllers, and battery chargers for over 10 years. With the development of economy, more and more people are interested in renewable energy, especially for most of countries in Southeast Asia. Sandy, do you know why?
Yes, of course. Because this country, they have long daylight hours.
Yes, that's correct. The solar energy can be used efficiently. Solar energy is free. You can collect it from the sun and convert it to electricity. Moreover, it's environmental friendly to use. It will not cause any pollution to our living place. So here, from left to right, we have a solar hybrid inverter. Here is a high frequency model, FPS, and high frequency model, FMPS. And we also have low frequency hybrid inverter model, FPL model, and solar pumping inverter. Okay, check all these models. You might be curious why it looks very different from the normal model we use. Sandy, normally we call this model 3-in-1.
Yes.
What 3 represent 4? Sandy?
Yes.
No, why we call it 3-in-1 model?
3-in-1 because it has a 3 function. Which 3 function? The first function is for power inverter, and the second function is for solar controller, and the 3 function is for AC charger. So it means it is 3-in-1. Have 3 functions. It means that.
Oh, that sounds very convenient to use for
Yes.
a home solar system. Okay. We also have a connected diagram here. Yes, this is a small home solar system. First, we have solar panels here, and a solar controller, and DC load, AC load, pure sine wave inverter or modified, and battery. Okay. Here we have the solar controller. We have we have a small display screen here, and we can check the status of the whole solar system on this screen. We have time setting here, and this is the battery voltage here, BAT battery. And this is the charging current, and this is our room temperature. And this is the this is the voltage of the solar panel. And this is the DC load. DC load. Okay, here are the main functions of our solar controllers. Okay. If we turn on this button, the DC load will switch on. And here, we have a pure sine wave inverter. Mainly, solar panel collect the energy from the sun, and the voltage is 12 watt, and we can convert 12 watt to AC 220 voltage by this pure sine wave inverter. This is the AC load, 220. And also, when the solar panels collect energy from the sun, and it can convert and it can charge the battery by the solar controller directly. Okay, we still have many other models of power inverters. So let Sandy give us an introduction. Sandy.
Hello, see me again. Now let me look at here. We can see this side. This side we can show you we have other products. This one is for modified power inverter. Modified power inverter. You see have many different power. Can show you different power. And now we can show you another one. The pure sine wave power inverter. Pure sine wave power inverter also have other many functions. See, have a different wall. The power is different. I will show you the new design is for pure sine wave power inverter and UPS and battery charger together in one. It's complete one. This one is convenient because you choose this one, then you can own one pure sine wave power inverter and one battery charger. So it's your good choice. It's good quality and new design. This one, and we can see another one is for battery charger. Battery charger for here, this side, and they have many different power, have different amperes. You see 10, 20, 30 different amperes. Now we can see another one is for solar controllers. This side for solar controller. Solar controller we have two systems. One is for PWM system. PWM system, and another one is for MPPT system. MPPT system. Both of them are made by our own factory, and we have good quality and good price. If you have an instant in any of these products, you can scan our Facebook. This QR can scan this one. Then you can contact with us. We will give you good service and good price.
Okay. For more details of these products, you can come to our broadcast room during Canton Fair, and we have a professional sales team here to give you more introduction of our solar energy products. This is our QR code. You can scan it by your WeChat and check and contact with us directly. Okay. Besides the solar energy products, we still have many other hot-selling products manufactured by my factory. So, Sandy,
yes,
can you and Miss Joey introduce some hot-selling products for me?
Yes, it's my pleasure. Follow my steps. Follow my steps here. Now we can see here have many control boards. This is the top selling products for my company. Home appliance control board.
Wow, Sandy, there are so many control board here. So could you introduce to us what kind of home appliance control board do we have?
Yes, it's including washing machine control boards, air condition control board, induction cooker control board, lightweight furnace control board, and fan control board. Let me repeat again. Washing machine control board,
Here.
air condition control board, induction cooker control board, lightweight furnace control board, and fan control board. They are one of the most popular export products of our factory. So the first product we see is the washing machine control board. Here, washing machine control board. Usually we separate them into two types. Joey,
Yes.
do you know which two types?
Yes, of course. The first type is a specific board, like this. You can see these are the specific board. It means that it is used for some fixed brands such as Samsung, LG, and other popular brands. Yes, so this all kind of we have a lot of kind of washing machine control board used for different brands. Yeah, and the second type is the universal board. Please look at this way. Yes, this is the universal control board, which almost all the washing machine can be used. And the universal board is also separate into automatic universal board and roller universal board. And this one is for automatic universal, and its code is SCL2200E. SCL2200E. And let's have a look on this one. This one is used for a roller control board. Yes, and its code is SCL5200E. SCL5200E. Please remember this code.
Okay, follow me here. Here, follow me. Now we can look at this. They are air condition control panels. Most of them are universal, easy to install, applies with good performance. Generally, there are two types air conditioner control boards: single coolant and co-heating. Single coolant and co-heating. The numbers of our company are, let me see,
This model.
the single coolant, the code is U07PG plus. U07PG plus.
Yes.
And the co-heating, the code is U09PG plus. U09PG plus.
Okay, so next, please look at this. Next, we will show you the hot soldering universal induction cooker board, and its model is. Please look at this. A plus, and this one SE11F, SE11F. The next one is SE12F, SE12F. And in addition, we also have two touch type universal board. And here, its code is SCL-D003, SCL-D003, and this one SCL-D005, SCL-D005. And next, for the lightweight furnace control board, please look at this. It's mainly separate into 5 lights and 6 lights. Please remember 5 lights and 6 lights. Okay, all the control boards are with good qualities.
Finally, we can see the fan control board. FBO1 and FBO2.
So, Sandy, could you tell me what's the difference between these two fan boards?
Yes, of course. The biggest difference between them is FBO1 can be used for coolant fans. Coolant fans, which is a special function. And FBO2 can only be used for floor fans, table fans, and other fans. And the other functions are almost the same.
Yes, so all the PCB control board mentioned above are the main control board style produced by our factory. If you have other PCB board requirements, we can make them according to your sample. Okay, next, follow me. I will show you another popular product produced by our factory. That is the fan motor. Please have a look. The fan motor. As we know, fan can be said to be a very common household appliance in our daily life. Its use frequency is very high compared with other household appliances. Therefore, fan motor is very popular product throughout the year.
Yes, Joey. As we can see behind me, there are so many models. How
Yes.
can we distinguish which model?
It's not so difficult. Firstly, according to the type of the fan. Our fan motors are mainly separated into table fan motor. Please look at this. Table fan motors. Yes. And the second type is wall fan motors with the iron shape. Yes, this is the wall fan motor. And the last one is here. The box fan motor. The box fan motor is very small and cute, right? Okay, and so when the customer asks for fan motor, the first step we need to confirm is that what type of fan they used, and then secondary, it can be distinguished by the finish of the motor stator. Please look at this. Here is the stator of the motor. The common finish of the motor stator produced by our factory is 12 mm. This is 12 mm and 14 mm, 16 mm, 18 mm, 12 mm, and it's 20 mm and 22 mm. Of course, if you have any other finish of the motor stator, you can send me the samples. We can make it for your own. So,
Okay, besides the stator thickness, we can also distinguish by the material of the wire. Some customers ask for copper wires and some customers ask for aluminum wires. Our factory only manufacture these two types. So, normally for copper wires are very expensive. It costs more money than the aluminum wire. But for the cheaper model, we suggest aluminum model, and if he needs good quality and long service life, yes, and we suggest copper model.
yes. So, and lastly, it can be distinguished with or without the ball bearing. Please look at this model. It is with ball bearing. Yes, the ball bearing changes the fission mode of the bearing. It uses rolling fission to effectively reduce the friction between bearing surface and make the motor work better. Yes, with the ball bearing, the fan motor will work better. So, okay, if you are interested in our motor, please feel free to contact us. Okay, so this is the end of our main product introduction. Next, Sandy will show us the sample room of our office. Please follow Sandy's step.
Hello, see me again. Follow my steps. Here, I will show you another. This is our other sample room here. So big. See, very big sample room. Let me tell you one by one. This part is for our microwave oven spare parts. Microwave oven spare parts. And here, this one is for rice cooker spare parts. Rice cooker spare parts. And now here, we can see the electric. This is a very hot sale item. It's for cooling fans. They are most popular for all over the world. Now this one is for air conditioned spare parts. We see many items. And now here, we can see here, this one is for refrigerator spare parts. Refrigerator spare parts. Now this part have many items. You see, all of for washing machine spare parts. washing machine spare parts. This item is for white household appliance spare parts. Now I will show you another for black electrical appliance spare parts. Here, one by one. Now this word, we can see the cable. Here also have many cables. They have so many kinds and have HDMI cable, AV cable, VGA cable, and optical cables. Now we can see this one is LCD blacking. This item all is made by our own factory with good quality and good price. If you are interested in any items, you can contact us. Now, I show you another item. Here, you can see the tools. They include multimeter, some station, and some other. And now we can see this part have a TV spare parts and other tools. Now this part also is for other tools. So many items. No matter what you want, we also can help you to find out. And now this part is for power supplies. And adapter. Many items. Power supply and adapter. Besides this, we also have excellent sales team. So if you contact us, we can give you the good service and good support for item quality and price. If you are interested in any products, you can contact us. This is our QR. You can scan it.
Okay, after a small introduction of our factory and products, you can come to our broadcast room during Canton Fair. We have a professional sales team here behind me. Hello guys! Okay. We are here to help you with your any requirements. If you are interested in any products, please feel free to contact us. You can scan the QR code here by your WeChat and contact with us directly.
Yes, so we are looking forward to
having you here
again.
again. Okay.
So have a
good day.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.